What's up, y'all? So I want to give y'all my favorite features of iOS 18 beta so far. I'm gonna start off with the scheduling of text messages. I really like this feature a lot. So I already got something typed out. Have a good evening. After you type the message, you just want to hit that plus sign. You scroll, you go to send later, then you pick when you want to send it. I'm gonna just go to today at 9:15 p.m. You hit send, and as you can see, it says have a good evening, and it will send later today at 9:15 p.m. All right, so the next feature that I really like is you can react to a text message now with any emoji you want. So I really like that they added that. So you just hold on to this like you would normally do. And if you just scroll this, you can pretty much use whatever emoji you want. These are my Twitch emojis. Don't question the foot one. Don't question the foot one, y'all. This is my Twitch emoji, so I'm going to use these. And there we go. We got a Trey Baldy emoji. That's what that's called. I'm texting myself, so you're going to see it twice. But that's another feature that I really like that's also coming to iPhone in September. This next thing is freaking such a big deal. I heard it was coming. I wasn't sure. But a lot of iOS people don't like texting Android users. Now they have Android read receipts, and you can see when they're typing. If you can look right here, it says read. This is an Android user. So now we got RCS officially on iPhone now. So that's pretty dope. You don't got to be annoyed with your Android buddies or family members because you can see when they read the text and you can see when they're typing now. Now, let's get to the control center. The control center got a remodel. So now if you want to add controls, you no longer have to go to settings. You can just hold the screen like this, go to add control, and you have a lot of options. And you can search controls. So if you want to look for something, type in notes will come up right there. You can also resize the different controls as well, just by dragging your finger, clicking the corner and dragging your finger. You also have plenty different windows. I don't have a bunch of windows. I like to keep all my stuff together, but if you want different windows, you can. And if you see on the side right here, it'll have it pretty much classified depending on what you have in that window. Now, this is another feature that they made really easy for us. Before, if you wanted to change a widget, you had to remove it and add it back. Not anymore. Hold the screen and you can just drag your finger right there and you can resize that bad boy. I really like this. Now, this is the beta, so it will be some glitches. And I do want to show y'all an example of a glitch when you sign up for the beta. This Twitch app, watch when I resize this. That shouldn't do that. So be careful when you sign up for the beta. I'm doing these videos, so I signed up for the beta. But yeah, you definitely, I'm really not tripping because I knew what I was getting myself into. Now, let's talk about a thing that we've been wanting for so long. You can put apps wherever you want now. So let me move the screen. As I said before, I like my stuff organized, but you can throw apps wherever you want. You can put them wherever you want. This is so dope. At some point, I think I'm going to customize my screen a little more and stop being boring, but you can literally put the apps wherever you like. Also, you can change the colors of the app. So you see right now, mine is dark. So you hold the screen, then you go to customize, and you can basically put the apps whatever color you want. I haven't found a scheme that works with what I have right now. So I did mess with it for a little bit, but I haven't found anything that works. That's ugly. So I'm definitely not doing that. But it is good that you have some customization finally. This is another feature that I use a lot. It's really simple, but I like this. If you go to a photo or a video, they have this little button right here to edit. I love that they put this here. Like, that's such a big deal to me. It is so simple, but it's such a big deal because I'm always doing this. I'm always editing videos. So it's nice that they added this little touch right there. I like that. I like that a lot. Another great feature that I use a lot is game mode. So if you go to a game, you open it up, you'll see right there it says game mode. You can actually turn it off, but it'll slow down tasks in the background to try to get your device to run the games better and a little bit cooler. So that is a dope feature. Like, I like the fact that they are paying attention towards gaming. Obviously they would be, because the mobile gaming market is the biggest market there is. So I like that they have a game mode now, and you can turn that off. As soon as that come up, if you want to turn it off, you can. I'm keeping that bad boy on. Also, they finally updated the journal app. It's been pretty basic. I've been using it since it came out. I like to document my journey with the Lord, and I like to go back and read some of this stuff. You know what I mean? I don't want to forget. I don't want to forget precious moments. So I use the journal. They added this little feature where they got the entries, they got the days that you streaked, they got the longest weekly streak, they got the current streak, 11 weeks. I don't want to open the journal, so I took a screenshot of right inside. They got the same information when you're writing in the journal, and they got it right at the top. So you'll have your streaks, you'll have your words written, your day's journal. It is really dope. Like, I like this feature a lot, and I was hoping that they would expand it. I know it was brand new last year, but they're finally starting to add more things to it. You can even search things by date. The journal app update is really dope to me personally. So thank you, Apple. But that's all I got for now. I just wanted to give you guys some of my favorite features so far. I would like to note, Files app, sometime when you open it, it's just straight black. So you do want to keep that in mind if you're thinking about downloading the beta. It's been really good. This is my first year doing a public beta in a long time. And like I said, it's only because of this YouTube channel. So overall, it's been good, but you will have bugs. So don't get mad if you sign up for the beta. You should expect to have some bugs. So thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.